If you feel shy while talking to people or don't know what to say, this video is for you. The ability to communicate effectively is a skill that can help you in every aspect of life, no matter what field you're in. By improving your communication, you can impress others, persuade people, and even connect with their emotions. In this video, I'll be sharing some powerful insights from the book, How to Talk to Anyone, and discussing 1. How to overcome the fear of conversation. 2. How to make a great first impression. 3. How to impress people with your words. Watch till the end, because these tips will help you become a confident and engaging speaker. 1. Overcoming the fear of conversation. If you constantly worry about what others will think of you, the first step is to eliminate this fear. The best way to do that is through practice. Talk to people online. There are apps where people practice English and Hindi conversation. You can use these platforms to start talking to strangers and gain confidence. Call customer care services. Try calling different customer service centers and talking for a few minutes. This will help you get comfortable with conversations. Speak in front of a camera. Use your phone wisely. Record yourself talking about topics you like. This will not only improve your speaking skills, but also help you overcome nervousness. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you become. 2. Making a great first impression. Your first impression can make or break a conversation. Here's how to make it count. Always keep a slight smile. When meeting someone, a friendly smile sends a positive signal and makes the conversation more comfortable. Maintain eye contact. Looking into the other person's eyes while talking shows confidence and makes them feel heard. Observe good salespeople. If you visit a high-end showroom, talk to the salespeople. You'll notice their communication skills are so effective that they can make you want to buy things you don't even need. If you master these skills, you can make a lasting impact on anyone you meet. 3. How to impress people. While talking. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to impress people is by using their name. Use names in conversation. When talking to someone, address them by their name. For example, "Hey Dhruv, how are you?" This instantly makes them feel valued and connected. The Starbucks trick. Have you noticed how Starbucks writes your name on your coffee cup and calls you by it? This is because people love hearing their own name. You can use the same strategy to make your conversations more personal and engaging. Just make sure to use this wisely. Don't go around calling your elders by their first name unless you want to get in trouble. Conclusion. If you master the art of conversation, it will help you succeed in both personal and professional life. If you want to learn more, I highly recommend reading How to Talk to Anyone, available in both English and Hindi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video.